Look, the president is in his second term. Normally, you then can put aside political or partisan considerations. You're not going to be reelected, and you would act in the national interest. The Keystone issue is the most open and shut case I have ever seen. Not only will it reduce our dependence on Hugo Chavez in the Middle East, we'd get it from Canada, and not only would it be an insult if we sort of slammed their door on Canada, our closest ally, but refusing the pipeline or not building it would have absolutely zero effect on the environment. The Canadians have stumbled on the largest reserve of shale oil around. They are the Saudi Arabia of shale. They are not going to keep it in the ground if we don't import it. It's going to go to China. They have said so. So it'll have zero effect on the climate, global warming, whatever you want. And the fact that Obama is still mulling over this, I can understand last year he wanted to hold his left-wing base. He wanted re-election. But now, after he's won re-election, it shows how, if he refuses it, which I think is still possible, it would really show how partisan considerations way outweigh the national interest. I think it would be shocking.